world's first mass-produced sodium-ion battery for cars has entered the chat, and it'll be sold in China in the upcoming Changan Nivo A06 EV. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. In a brutal cold weather test that sounds more like a sci-fi experiment, a new sodium-ion battery powered an EV at temperature as low as minus 50 degrees Celsius and kept charging happily at minus 30 degrees Celsius. That's a nightmare scenario for most electric cars, which usually lose range, power, or simply give up when the mercury drop. According to reports, the Nivo A06 had CATL's new NAX for sodium-ion battery, which barely flinched. At minus 40 degrees Celsius, it was still showing 90% of its capacity, a level of performance traditional lithium-ion phosphate, aka LFP batteries, can only dream of. The 45 kilowatt-hour sodium-ion battery is now officially certified for passenger vehicles and delivers around 250 miles of range on China's CLTC test cycle. That may not sound revolutionary, but the real shock is how little range it loses in extreme cold. Testing in Mongolia showed sodium-ion packs can deliver strong, stable power where LFP batteries struggle. CATL calls this the start of a new dual chemistry era where automakers choose battery tech based on climate and use. Sodium-ion batteries can become the go-to choice for EVs in freezing regions, and they bring other perks too. Sodium is 1,000 times more abundant than lithium, easier to resource globally, and not heavy on the pocket. The lithium isn't done yet. CATL's latest 5C lithium-ion battery can charge from empty in about 12 minutes and survive 3,000 charge cycles, which is equal to 1.1 million miles. Now, it doesn't matter if you're at the coldest places on Earth, your EV engine will remain hot and running. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.